If you're a STEM student or educator, you likely work with equations all the time. Here I'll show you how to work with equations in PowerPoint like a pro. If you use the Insert Equation option, you're probably used to making individual equation boxes in PowerPoint. You've been writing equations, then moving them to fit in with your text. That's just clunky. You may have even tried using the box as a text box, typing words in after the equation, or maybe before the equation, which just produces the wrong font. It's actually an equation font. Worse, you may be wasting time hunting for expression formats and symbols in the menus. Let's just stop playing these games. If you keep working this way, you end up with a bunch of text boxes and equations that you keep moving around the screen trying to make the slide look professional, logical, and uncluttered. Let's simplify your life. Start by inserting a text box. Just start typing, and then to insert an equation in your text, just press the Alt and equal key. You'll want to learn a few commonly used codes like \int for integral and \infty for the infinity symbol. You'll notice that some functions like sine and cosine are built in. You just type in sin for sine and cos for cosine. To superscript something, just use the caret symbol followed by the text, then press the spacebar to display it. Once you're comfortable using the Alt equal keys to insert math expressions, you'll want to start inserting math symbols with ease. The reasons to do this are simple. First, it's fast. Second, you insert the correct symbol and not the default formatted symbol. It might be subtle, but look at the difference between these two theta symbols. The correct one is the one you'll also use in the equation. Become familiar with creating your own fields, like for this fraction. Just two parentheses with the division key followed by two more parentheses. Press the spacebar to see the numerator and denominator fields, fill them in and keep going. I'll cover fractions in math mode in a later video. One final remark about using equations within text. Don't be shy about using correct punctuation. If an equation is at the end of your sentence, be sure to punctuate it with a period. If you put the period outside the math box, however, the equation will be left justified and lose some of its formatting. Instead, put the period inside the math box to keep it centered and formatted correctly. Lastly, to format your text and equations, highlight all the text, click on the drop-down menu in the paragraph section of the home ribbon, and select to add 6 or 12 points after each line. Be sure to like and follow for more professional development tips.